What's going on, YouTube? Excellent Dreams here, back with another exclusive video for you today. This time, I'm gonna let the intro roll. Alright, so check this out. What we got today is this Mario. And what I actually did was I sublimated the shirt, right? If y'all seen in the previous videos, sublimated the shirt. But here's the power of sublimation with rhinestones is when I go to make another one of these, here's what I can do because of the way I set it up. Wait a minute. Let me see. Let me set it up like that for real. I didn't keep that plate. I didn't keep it. I didn't keep the plate. So that's cool. But man, I could have did it like this, y'all. Let me show y'all real quick. We're gonna Control C. We're gonna copy this and let's paste it, and then let's nudge it over. Let's outline, clip art it. Man, see, I didn't think of this till just now, y'all. Alright, that's cool. We're gonna leave it like that, because we're gonna go in here and I'm gonna go fast, y'all. I'm gonna go fast. None of that. None of that. That. Alright. Get all of this. Combine all of that together. Combine all that together. And then go ahead and weld it. Boom. Alright, we got that part. Got that part. Boom, that's the back plate. Let's go ahead and draw a line right here again. Go ahead and get our fill tool, fill that in. Now I could just go ahead and go crazy with it like this. Just using the fill tool, y'all, to get that whole back plate. That's what I'm gonna do. Just use the smart fill tool real quick. Boom. Alright, we got all of that. Let's combine it and weld it. Combine and weld to this. Nope, just weld it. Alright, so we got our back plate almost done, right? Oh, come on, CorelDRAW, don't let me down. Let me save it. Alright, we just combining. Either combine or weld. We're just gonna take all of that out. Easy peasy. Alright. And then all of this. Well, all of this don't even matter. But I like to get it all out of there. All of those extra nodes from combining and welding all that stuff together. Alright, boom. I ain't worrying about all of that. Alright, so now we got this back plate. Let me nudge it back over. I gotta select all of it, goofy. And then let's nudge it over. Alright. That's good enough. Alright. Alright, now let me do another mock-up. See, but then I didn't keep the front plate either. I would have to redo the front plate. Okay. We're going to redo this with this plate right here. Let's simulate the stones. Let me show y'all how cool this is though. Alright, so if I would have left the plate in there and didn't take it out, then I'm able to do this. Let's move that picture image to the back. And now we got our plate. Let's just go ahead and group it together. Alright. So we got our back plate. We can change that plate to solid black, right? Then let's pull the design back in. Now he got on an all black chain. You know what I'm saying? With the clear stones. Like, you know what I mean? I could have got it a little crispier right here, but I was moving fast, y'all. I was just wanted to show y'all something. You know what I'm saying? Or you can change that and have that a solid white. You know what I mean? Change it to any color you want. Let's get these stones back where they supposed to go. To the front. Let's group them. Let's grab all these stones and group them. Let's grab all these stones and group them. So now, you know what I mean, you could actually start playing around with it. Like, let's just say you want them to have on a yellow hoodie, you know what I mean, with yellow stones. You feel me? Did I take this part out? I left that part in there too. So we can change this to red. And then with the red stones, you know what I mean? Of course up here, I forgot to separate them. Let's go edit. Let's nudge that section over. All of that. Let's ungroup all objects. Let's get this part right here using the freehand pick tool. Let's just get in there and circle all of those. Alright, let's nudge those back over. What color should they be? They should be red. Let's actually group them together. Boom. These red. Let's nudge all of that out. See, I forgot the separator right there. Boom. So ungroup all objects. Uh-oh. Let's just go in there and get that red. Let's nudge it over. Let's nudge it back over here. And what color should it be? White. Let's group those. His teeth right here should be white. Let's group those. Nudge it over twice. This part right here should be white. Let's group those. Nudge them over twice. And all of this should be clear. Group them. Nudge them over twice. Boom, boom. Now this. Boom, boom. Let's put the yellow back where it goes. Boom. Alright. Check this out, y'all. Now, we got Mario with a yellow hoodie on with the red stripes. You know what I mean? We flipped it. You know what I mean? So, because I left that that vector in there under the stones, I can change the color now, and he can have on a blue hoodie now. Like, you know what I'm saying? Smash that like button. Smash it if you feel what if you hear what I'm saying. Smash that like button. Like, he can have the hoodie. You can change the color of the hoodie by keeping this faceplate in there. You know what I mean? You can get creative with it. You know what I'm saying? You can get so creative with the colors. Now I'm sitting up here thinking I could have did these blocks down here as well. Changed the color of the block. Left the vector object in there. You know what I'm saying? On top of the sublimation image. That way I can go in there and change the color. If y'all liking this video and y'all definitely learning something new today, and this is your first time to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, and you've been contemplating on whether you should subscribe, do it now. I'll wait. And I'm out.